Ducky here with the Team Turbo Kids. Today we're going to be doing an experiment called Dancing Hearts. Okay, so it's really simple. All you need is some 7-Up. And in the spirit of Valentine's Day, some conversation hearts. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Get it ready. Oh, we're going to fill it up about 2/3 full. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay, now a little bit more in that one. Okay, and we're going to do about the same. Whoa! Oh, and a little bit. This one needs some more. Ooh-wee. Okay, I think that's enough. Alrighty then. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some of these guys into your cup of soda. Okay? Oh, we don't need to mix it yet. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna put about many into here, and they're gonna dance around. Okay. Do you need some help with that one? No? Okay. Dump them out. Come on. Alrighty. Ready? Okay. What happens here? Alrighty. Oh. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. What's gonna happen here? Oh, they're dancing. They're dancing. We're dancing. What's going on? Ooh, there it goes. Dance.
Ooh, this is like wine.
Whoa. Okay, so the way that this works, the carbon dioxide from the soda pushes the hearts up, right? Throws them on the top, okay? And then when they reach the top, the bubbles burst. You can see bubbles. And then the candy works its way back down. Right there. Oh, it just happened. Woo! Carbon dioxide makes them float. They pop. And then they sink again. Here we go. Oh, 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 oh. Woo! Okay, guys, so that was pretty successful, and you can even flavor some soda. Tastes like hearts. Yum. Okay, so if you guys want to try it at home yourself, all you need is some tiny conversation hearts and some lemon lime soda, and you can make dancing hearts. Oh, 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 oh. There it goes.
Even you can eat them, Mario.
Bye-bye now.